Hello, everyone. I'm Katey Higgins. I'm a member of the Board of Trustees for Watertown Regional Medical Center. Today, we're talking about an exciting new partnership for Watertown Regional Medical Center. They are partnering with emergency medicine specialists. This is a highly respected Wisconsin-based emergency physician group, and this is to further strengthen the emergency care available to patients and families throughout our community. So I'd like to welcome Richard Keddington, the CEO of the Watertown Regional Medical Center, and also Dr. Beth Griffin, the President of Emergency Medicine Specialists. So Richard, tell us, why did you decide to change emergency physician groups, and why was emergency medicine specialists the right partner?
Yeah, sure. First of all, Katie, thanks for talking to us briefly today. But the emergency department, when I think about the emergency department, it really is one of the most important services that we provide in our hospital. And it's just so critical that we get the care right. Oftentimes, when people come to the emergency department, it's on the hardest day of their lives. And so when we started thinking about what group we wanted to continue partnering with, we wanted to make sure that we partnered with a group that had our kind of values around quality and patient experience. And so I met Dr. Griffin, I learned about the group, our team learned about the group, and we were just so impressed. They're Wisconsin-based, they're physician-led, and they're incredibly selective about their physicians. And those physicians are just really highly trained and have great compassion.
Wonderful. How will this partnership benefit patients and families who rely on Watertown Regional Medical Center for emergency care?
Yeah, that's a great question. And I think it goes back to what I just said. When people come to the emergency department, what they're looking for is they're looking for highly trained physicians who get it right, who know what they're doing, but then can also do it with compassion. And that's what they should expect to see as we partner with this group.
Fantastic. Dr. Griffin, I had a couple questions for you. Wanted to ask you what excites you most about partnering with Watertown Regional Medical Center and serving the Watertown community?
I think with what Richard said about really that the aligned values are what excites me most about the partnership. When we started talking with Richard and the team at Watertown, we just could tell immediately that we are both completely invested in providing the highest quality care, the most expert care, but locally with physicians who live and work in Wisconsin in the local Watertown community that are invested and committed to their community there. And also providing that with compassion and with the best experience possible that we would want for ourselves, our family members, and our community. So we're really excited to work with the team at Watertown because every person that we've had the chance to work with and interact with at Watertown has been completely aligned with those values. And that's what excites me most. It's just a phenomenal team to work with there and a great community to serve, of course.
Love to hear that. Tell us a little more about how emergency medicine specialist helps to strengthen hospitals, emergency care, and to support the emergency department team.
So Emergency Medicine Specialists has been around in Wisconsin since 1983, and we are truly experts in emergency care and are very excited, I think, to bring that expertise and that highest level of quality to the community at Watertown. With that as well, we are very throughput focused, making sure that we make the most of everyone's time. They're not rushed, but that things are happening quickly when seconds matter most in an emergency. And then finally, I think making sure that that's always done with compassion and with the experience that the community expects from their physicians and from those partners.
Wonderful. Thank you both for this information, and what an asset that we have for this 24/7 emergency care and your commitment to the highest quality of care for our community. Really appreciate you both being here today.
Thanks so much for having us. Excited to be there.